Happy Monday, everyone. Another week and new possibilities. We are back on the project. I'm currently staying at the road and watching this main trench. We managed to clean off or trim off the last trees last week, and we managed to clean off the main trench on the left side. Problem is that we hit bedrock maybe 20 meters in front of me, so the water isn't running away as it should be. So my idea was to hire someone to blow it up with TNT, but then I brought my father out here and he came up with an even better solution. And that is to put these two pipes under the road. That means I need to dig it up and direct the water to the other side. We believe it's deeper here. I need to clean it first to be sure. But if it's clean and I don't hit any bedrock, we will keep or stay with that solution. So I will work on that later in the video. For now I have 2 days of Cosmin. He will help me cut down a bunch of more trees that we need to clear before we can start trenching. We need to have them removed because they are in the way of the drain tiles that we want to put here. So he will help me and I will help him, and we will hopefully be finished with the tree felling soon enough. So here you can see what I'm talking about. There's one more up there and one just before the entrance here. So as you can see, there is no freeway for the water. It goes slowly and it's almost, say 30 meters at least with the dynamite or TNT work, and that's quite expensive, so we find it a little bit cheaper to take the pipe through the road. Alright, I can hear Cosmin is already started. He's cutting down these spruce trees that's surrounding a little bit of the pond here. So I will go and help him drag them away while he cuts. We will drag them uphill and then we will clean them, and we will take the branch and pile them up, and hopefully we will manage to burn them during the week. Well, the trees are done. They are piled up on the ground here. Kospin is already going ahead to trim off the branch, but I want to measure this one. This was a massive beast, the biggest one I've seen for a while. It's 90 centimeters that way and 70 centimeters this way. A beast. Alright, so I will go ahead and clean up what's left on the ground before I start to deal with the stumps. Hopefully I will manage to take them, or I need to. There are some stones here too. Could be bedrock. Okay. I give up. They are too heavy, too big, and they have grown into each other. So I think the plan now is to hire somebody with a bigger machine to come and take them, because all I do now is I will break the tilt rotator and I will cause a bigger mess than I hoped to do. So I will leave this for now, and Kospin will continue to clean the trees, and in the meantime I think I will go over the other side of the road and clean off this main trench. It is just not my day. That's all it is. Bedrock, 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 bedrock all the way down here. That means the pipe plan isn't gonna work. That means we need to come up with something else. It is now the next day. Spent 30 minutes to clear off some of this sloppy snow that I didn't bother to clean earlier. We didn't get any more, but it created a terrible mess for both our feet and our cars. So now that's done, I will head out to the woods, to the forest again, and clear off the last trees. So I got in touch with a guy working in the construction industry yesterday. He will come out to take a look at the bedrocks in the main trench and the roots that I couldn't handle yesterday. So hopefully they will take the job. Our machine isn't strong enough to handle those roots, and we don't have the equipment or the license to blow up any bedrock, so hopefully they will take the job. Sloppy mess here too. Okay, so Kospin is already out here. He's trimming off the last of the trees, and then we will clean up the mess, the trunks, put the trunks in the trailer, and then we'll head over here and deal with these pine trees. That guy has taken my job. It's the best to let the pros do this.
I'm alone, I'm relaxed.
Yeah. Did you grease it up?
Yeah, I think I don't mix anything.
Okay, I will just go through it so we are sure. Alright, so we managed to take all the logs off the field and burn up the brush or the branch. So now I've actually managed to give away that load of logs to somebody who produced firewood for themselves. I'm pretty happy that we got rid of that load because we have plenty. So I'm in the workshop and I will bring this strap just to feel a little bit safer on the road, and I will head over straight away and empty off the logs. Alright, so the branches are almost gone. We got rid of the logs. So now we'll have to repeat the process with these pine trees. Cosmin is all finished up. So now we need to drag them to a safe spot and clean up the biggest ones. Hopefully we'll manage to burn off a few of them. So yeah. Okay, so we managed to get rid of some trees and we have piled up a big pile. So Yasmin has already left me and I will have to continue with this the rest of the week myself. So I have a lot going on, plenty of trees still. So that will be it for this video. I noticed that the views have been low for a while now, so I will have to ask your viewers to help me out there, because it's a little bit frustrating when the views are low and I put that much effort on it. So hopefully you can help me share my videos with others so I can reach out to more people. That would really make me happy, so I'm glad if you do that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to check out all my other videos and check out my Instagram.